Quick Connects, a video series capturing the great work of our BCIU and Pennsylvania Keys staff members, as well as our partners throughout Berks County and the Commonwealth. Today I'm here with Mr. Rob Rosenberry, Chief Operating Officer. Mr. Rosenberry, where are we going today?
We're here for the School Safety Tabletop Exercise.
Well, great. Safety is a top priority. Let's get started. We're walking down to our Incident Command System tabletop exercise today here at the BCIU. Should have a good turnout. This is one of our 4 sessions that we're offering here at the BCIU.
With you today is myself, Rosario. I'm the Safety and Security Program Administrator for the IU. Also with us is Audra Schappell from the IU, Security Supervisor.
Mr. Volker, tell me a little bit about what was your key takeaways for today.
Well, first, I do want to thank the Berks County Intermediate Unit for hosting this, and Mr. Rosario for his leadership through this. Certainly, we had the Berks Department of Emergency Services in, and that was so wonderful to really work with the people that spend a lot of time focused in these areas. As school districts, we take safety extremely seriously. We all have our emergency operation manuals, and we go through that rigorously every single year. But to bring people together, to bring the experts in, and actually run through a real scenario, it helps with the muscle memory. So, heaven forbid there is an emergency. In this case, the scenario we went through was a weather-related scenario, but just the concept of thinking through the communication, the proactive steps that school districts need to take. It was just really wonderful to come together.
Well, we're grateful for your support and for bringing a team here today and our 18 school districts and 2 CTCs for your continued focus on keeping kids safe.
Thank you.
We just wrapped up our school safety tabletop exercise, and I'm here with Mr. Russell Del Rosario, our school safety program administrator at the BCIU. Mr. Del Rosario, talk about the takeaways from today's exercise.
Takeaways were to have good conversations with their schools, the districts, or CTCs, and our IU safety team. Talk about how they can respond and recover from an incident and how they can prepare for those incidents if they should happen.
Great. And for our viewers, talk about who were the presenters today.
Our presenters were members of our IU Safety and Security team and also members from our Berks County Department of Emergency Services.
Yeah, we're really fortunate for their partnership and continued support here in Berks County.
We had good discussions with our schools and some good takeaways where they're going to bring that information back to their schools, their districts, their CTCs, talk with their emergency teams about how they can prepare as well in addition to what they learned here today.
Great. Well, we're grateful for your leadership. We're grateful for our 18 school districts and 2 CTCs and the BCIU for our continued focus on keeping kids safe and school safety being a top priority. Thank you.
Thank you.